Look. I need to see the cat.
Look at Jack.
Infection.
Oh, her boo-boo?
Yeah. Where the worm got her or insect. My dad rescued her. Hey, Cece. You're hungry, I know it.
Eat much.
Hey, I see you. You're on YouTube now.
It's so zoomed in, Jack.
No, she's coming close to my camera. What is she doing? She's only young. What's Cece?
Cece.
Cece. Cece. Hi, Cece. Wait, Cece has green eyes. She has gray eyes. And you can tell a big difference. Wait, she looks like the cat that we got that was too lazy to do anything.
Which one?
Is that cat?
From those people,
The sad one?
and she scratched all over us in the car, remember?
Oh, yeah. That was from, Stacy?
Cece.
Yeah. She thought there was something wrong with her. She was used to living outside.
That cat? What are you doing in there?
You want some food?
Cece, you want to be on video?
She's meowing.
She have grown. She gotten bigger.
Yeah.
Hey, Bella. Bella. Bella, pay attention.
It's like a hard swallow.
Mhm.